This project is an interpreter that supports a subset of Python. The goal is to be able to use Python inside configuration files. The language features supported include expression evaluation, string, if, while, and for, function definition, list, and dictionary. This is the test script for the project. I will run this test script using my interpreter, then I'll run this same test script using Python, and the two outputs should be the same. So this shows that there's no txt file in this directory currently. So this will run the test script using my interpreter. So this produced the output.txt file. Now I have to uncomment these two lines. This will tell Python to redirect a print output to a file called python_output.txt. So this produces the python_output.txt. I have a script that compares these two output files. So this script says no difference is found. You're also encouraged to use a graphical tool to compare the two files. So other than some numerical differences, the two output files are identical.